This is the introductory page here. Most of everything we're going to do is right here under New. Join, share have to do with collaborative work and things that we're not really going to touch on. Down in here, you get a sense of help videos and things like that that can show you a few tricks of the trade. Once you start making things in the middle here, there'll be kind of a recently made item. You'll be able to look at things that you've done and get to them quickly. Generally, we're going to hit on New, and there's a couple of options here. New blank is doesn't need explaining. Let's go to Template. It's kind of a fun area. On the right, you can pick whatever you'd like. Let's go through a couple of these. If you pick a custom color, you can spin the wheel down at the bottom and kind of create the color that you like. If you wanted dots in the background or like a gridded area, if you want lines going one way or another way, or just blank, you can do that. I kind of like the grid. On the right here, you can extend your palette or simplify your palette so that you can find that perfect color that you're hoping for. Maybe this, that's not so pretty. But anyways, so that's one of the items that you can do. You can pick a notepad. This is just classic yellow notepad, and it's ready to go. Let's see what else is in here. I like the chalkboards. My favorite is the black background, and partly why it's my favorite is that certain pen colors really pop. So like there's our red, and there's our blue. This is the one I love. Yay! And then this one is great as well. And so all of those really stand out nicely. And so I love a black background. The green background is good as well, but I think black is the one that makes it pop the most. And then the last thing I'll show you is files. If there is a file that you want to work with in particular, you can go to your drive or any place and find it. PDF is the best format of that. And then you select it basically and then click import in the upper right. And if the PDF has multiple pages, you can bring them all in, or you can just bring in one of them. And I'm just going to bring in one and bring it into place. Now, what's nice about that is that, you know, it's ready to go. You can resize this thing immediately, so you can get right into where you want to get going, and you can pull out your favorite pen and begin talking about values and the curve and whatever you want. When x is 8, what is the value here, and so on. Lots of things that you can do, and then you know, return them back to their size and work on a different area. So bringing in a file is also a very powerful thing. Hopefully those give you some ideas on backgrounds and starting places.